All the dignified members of Sunrise family, a very great morning to all of you. Very great morning, sweetie. Firstly, I would like to thank my class in charge, Mr. Vijay Gandhi sir, for providing me such a great opportunity. And it's my pleasure to be here in front of you. I am Sweetie, a proud pupil of 12th Science studying in Sunrise Public School. Today, I am here for mastering the concept. And we are having a wonderful session of mastering the concept on subject maths, and our topic is determinant. So before starting our topic, we should know what is mathematics. Mathematics is not about numbers, equations or computations. It is about understanding. It means that everything around us is just mathematics in the form of numbers. In this world, nothing is possible without mathematics. The only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. So let's start with our topic of mathematics, and our topic is determinant. Our topic is determinant, so let's start it. Determinant. Firstly, we should know what is determinant. Determinant is a square matrix represented by number. What is determinant? It is a square matrix represented by a number. Now square matrix are of order 1 by 1, 2 by 2 or 3 by 3. 1 by 1 order, 2 by 2 order or 3 by 3 order. Only square matrix can have the determinant value. It means that only the order of matrix 1 by 1, 2 by 2 or 3 by 3 matrix can have the determinant value. Now question arises in our mind that how can we find the determinant value? Let's take an example of matrix 1 by 1. It is a matrix of order 1 by 1. It is represented by an array. Matrix is represented by an array. Then how can we represent the determinant? Determinant is represented as this. Determinant is represented by this or this. Remember that this is not a sign of modulus. It is a sign of determinant. We can represent determinant as this. Then how can we find the determinant of matrix this? This is a matrix of order 1 by 1. If we have to find the determinant of matrix 1 by 1, then the determinant value of order 1 by 1 will be same. What is the element present in our matrix? Then what is the element present in our question? It is 2. Then the determinant of A will be 2. Is it clear to you? Yes. Let's take another example. This is also a matrix of order 1 by 1. Then what will be the determinant value of this matrix? Can anybody tell me what will be the determinant value of this matrix? Simran, please tell me.
The determinant value is 7.
Yes, right answer. The determinant value of this matrix will be 7. Is it clear?
Yes.
We have learned that how can we find the determinant value of order 1 by 1. Now how can we find the value of determinant if we have given a matrix of order 2 by 2. Let's take an example. This is a matrix of order 2 by 2. If we have to find the value of determinant, then how can we find? In our 2 by 2 matrix, this is our main diagonal and this is our off diagonal. What is this? This is our main diagonal and this is our off diagonal. Then how can we find the value of determinant? We can find the determinant value as product of element of main diagonal minus product of element of off diagonal. This is the formula to find the determinant of order 2 by 2. Product of element of main diagonal. What is our main diagonal in our matrix? It is 2 and 1. Then what will be the product of our main diagonal? It will be 2 minus product of element of off diagonal. This is our off diagonal. Then what will be the product? 4 into 5 is 20. Then our answer will be minus 18. This is the method to find the determinant value of order 2 by 2. Is it clear to you? Yes. We have learnt how to find the determinant value of order 1 by 1 and 2 by 2. Let's check that how much you understand it. This is a matrix given. What will be the determinant value of this matrix? Can anybody tell me? Ria, please tell me what will be the determinant value of this matrix?
There will be no determinant in this value.
Yes, right answer. There will be no determinant value of this matrix. Why there will be no determinant value of this matrix? Nikita, please tell me.
Because determinant exists of only square matrix.
Yes, right answer. Please clap for Nikita. As I told you in starting that only square matrix can have the determinant value and it is not a square matrix, then there will be no value of determinant in this matrix. Let's take an example of order 3 by 3 matrix. Let's take an example of order 3 by 3 matrix. This is a matrix of order 3 by 3. Then how can we find the value of determinant of this matrix? For finding the value of determinant of this matrix 3 by 3 order, we should remember some signs, and these signs are these. We will use these signs for row 1 and second will be for row 2 and third will be for row 3. Now question arises in our mind, then how can we use these signs for finding the determinant value of matrix 3 by 3? Let's check it out. We can expand this matrix by R1, R2 or R3. By any of three methods we can expand it. We can expand it by C1, C2, C3 means column 1, column 2 or column 3. Let's expand it by R1. If we expand it by R1, then we will use these three signs. Our first sign is of plus. We will use this sign for this element 1 and minus for second element, plus for third element. How we use these signs? We will use it as plus for 1. Then we will use the sign of determinant. Our one element is present in row 1 and column 1. Then we will delete the row 1 and column 1. If we delete it, then we are left with 3, 0, 1, 0. We will write it in determinant. Then we will use the sign of minus. What will be our next element? It is 2. 2 is present in first row, second column. Then we will delete the first row and second column. What we are left with? If we delete it and this, then we are left with minus 1, 0, 4, 0. Then we will use the next sign is of plus and our element is 4. If we delete this row 1 and column third, then we are left with minus 1, 3, 4, 1. And here is 4. If we will solve this, as earlier I told you how can we find the determinant value of order 2 by 2. Then it will be product of main diagonal minus product of off diagonal. Then it will be our 0. Minus. This will also be 0. Then plus. 4. What will be the product of our off diagonal? It will be 1 minus 1 minus. What will be our product of off diagonal? It will be 12. Then our answer will be determinant of this matrix will be minus 52. This is our final answer. We expand it by R1. If we expand it by R2, we will use these signs and we will get the same answer. Is it clear to you? Yes. I hope you enjoyed this session. Now, at last, I want to ask some question related to our topic. My first question is from Chintu. Chintu, please tell me what is determinant?
As you told us, determinant is a square matrix represented by numbers.
Yes, right answer. Determinant is a square matrix represented by a number. Please clap for Chintu. My next question is from Swati. Swati, please tell me what will be the determinant value of this matrix?
Determinant of matrix is 5.
Yes, right answer. The determinant value of this matrix will be 5. Please clap for Swati. My next question is from Khushi. Khushi, please tell me what will be the order of this matrix?
2 by 2.
Yes, right answer. The order of this matrix will be 2 by 2. Please clap for. At last, I want to say that mathematics is a great motivation for people as its life starts with 0 and never ends. It means it is still infinity. Thank you and have a nice day.